Alright guys, good day. We are so blessed this very day because we are here at the beach front of Boracay and we are with Sir Gian, the man, the myth, the legend, no, the man behind Paris, nakakatawa si Sir Sensei Paris Hilton. And today, we will be featuring all their foods, maybe in the part 2 of this video, but first, we would take a look at the history of this restaurant and how did it start. So Sir Gian, how did this business of your restaurant started?
Okay, we have a lot of businesses.
Yes.
Okay, we have resort, restaurant, Sensi Italian restaurant,
Yes.
and we also have dining. So this area before, it's a bar. It's a bar. So, because before yung restaurant namin, bar namin dito sa harap.
Yeah, before.
So, nung Boracay closure during the third round, so nag-set pa kami. So, ito yung ginawa namin area ko.
Okay.
So, noong 2021, doon kami nag-start ng Pares. Kasi sumikat yung Pares na.
Yes.
So, people wanted to eat Pares.
Yes.
Parang all over the Philippines yata gusto ng Pares.
Yes.
So, nag-create kami ng menu, Silog meals and Pares with only rice.
Yes.
Doon kami nag-start.
Wow.
2021.
So talking about the name, Sensi Paris Hilton, how did you come up with that very unique and very, kung sa ano pa, madaling, ano tawag dito? It's easy to remember kind of name.
May ka-business partner ako dati.
Okay.
So, he's the one na nag-create yung mismo name.
Yes.
Then, nung sinadjust niya sa akin, sabi ko, maganda. Sabi ko sa kanya, not so, hindi ko baga hindi common anyway, pero very popular. Kasi siyempre si Paris Hilton's
Yeah.
famous in the world. So,
Yeah.
yun yung sabi ko, ay, pasok yan.
Yes.
So, okay yun siya as name na mismo business.
Wow. Let's talk about business a little bit, Sir Gian. It's really not that easy to make and have a business here at Boracay.
Yeah.
So, did you really come up to it? Did you really think about it? Or how did you plan to really have this business here?
Hindi siya nahirap sa akin eh. Kasi,
Hindi naman. It's fine.
hindi kasi we are in the right place.
Yes.
That's location in the island.
Yes.
Beachfront property. People
Yes.
come here all. Kumbaga, every time from station 1
Yeah.
na mga guests going from station 2, parang kanto kami.
Yes.
So, yung area namin is ideal for business
Yes.
especially for restaurant. So, hindi siya mahirap. Ang ano lang is, what will you put in the business?
Wow.
So, meron kaming sense Italian restaurant. It's a fine dining restaurant.
Okay.
So, we need to recreate a menu na parang fast-moving. At the
Yes.
same time, mas mabilis, mas cheaper
Yes.
for the market. Kasi hindi lahat afford
Yes.
to get a pasta for
Yes.
600 pesos, 400 pesos.
Yeah.
So they like cheap meals like silog meals, 100 pesos, 120, 150 pesos.
At the
which is-
beachfront,
At the beachfront property. At the beachfront restaurant. Yun yung market na gusto namin i-target in that way. Yeah.
Wow. So speaking about that, Sir Gian, actually, one of the advocacy of Brand Boss is for the next generation. Maybe they have a property near the beach, or maybe they have a property in an island, and they want to start a business. What is your advice for them?
Start a business, you need to plan everything.
Wow.
Strategize everything. You need to study everything. Kasi business is just a business. When you don't implement them in a proper way, then you will lose money from it. Because business is investment. You take a risk from it.
Yeah.
So from risking money, you need to know kung ano yung business, strategy, marketing, how you implement those kind of things, and then of course right location. If you're in a right location and right people, and you have a right product that you can sell to other guests, then that's the best.
Wow.
Because in Sensi, we always talk about dapat masarap.
Wow. Yeah.
That's why I always eat here.
Yes.
Every day. I eat in my place. Every day. So I'll check the quality.
Wow.
Yun yung pinaka-importante sa akin. So pag medyo mataba, sabi, kailangan sasabihin yung mga yung ano agad, yung mga kitchen stuff.
Yeah.
So, yun yung lagi kong ginagawa. Every time, tine-check natin quality, depende sa luto nila, and depende sa kung anong ginagawa natin everyday.
Grabe, that was a business 101 masterclass from Sir Gian himself. Sir Gian, did you come from a family that are having businesses?
No,
Really?
we don't have. But I used to sell when
Okay.
I was in school days. I used to sell everything. I used
Wow.
to sell product in school.
Wow.
Because we're not rich. We're in a middle class family. We are five in the family, and we are all studying. So from that, hindi naman ganun kalaking kita ng nanay ko para lahat kami pag-aralin.
Wow.
So, ang ginagawa ko, I need extra income. So, I sell a lot of things in the school para may extra money. Kasi malaking yung school namin eh. So, kailangan namin magbaon. Ganon. But then, after that, natuto akong mag-sell out eh. So, yun yung forte ko. I sell everything. Kumbaga, mas gusto ko na communicate with the people.
Wow.
Na in a way na direct contact sa kanila na kumbaga open communication
Yes.
sa kanila in a way na gano'n. Kaya yun. So, bata pa lang nagbebenta na ako. Kaya ngayon, nagbebenta pa rin ako. Di ba?
Sir Gian, talking about business here in Boracay, siguro, what was the greatest challenge that you have that you could share? And then how did you overcome the challenge?
Okay. We had the Boracay closure during
Yes.
2018. And with being a business during that time, since 2014, we acquired this business during 2014. And then from then, after that, 2020 was the
Yes.
COVID-19. The best advice is, huwag kang mangutang.
Really?
Yes, kasi during that time, we have the fund.
Wow.
So, na-survive namin yung pandemic time
Wow.
nang wala kaming utang.
Wow.
Kasi kung may utang kami that time, we will really broke.
Wow.
Close kami kasi ang maraming mga obligation, may mga staff na
Yes.
na binabayaran during the time. Kasi may nakastay sa akin dito.
Yeah.
So, kailangan namin i-sustain yung kanilang. Of course, hindi malaki yung binibigay mo, pero
Yeah.
nakakainan nyo sila, may allowance sila every month.
Wow.
Yun yung namin. So, may utang ka, yun yung nangyayari. Mawala yung direction yung negosyo mo. At mas malulubog ka. So, if possible, much better na huwag kang mangutang, maximize mo kung anong financial money na meron ka, and then create more money.
Wow. Oh, grabe. Actually, I'm just here and I am learning a lot. Sir Gian, let's make a little bit of a simulation. Our viewers or followers would really want to eat already here at Sense Paris Hilton. What will you recommend for them to order or i-avail na pagkain mo?
Actually, meron kaming list ng mga magagad na bestseller na.
Yes.
Number 1 is the Pares.
Yes.
Number 2 is the Sibulachon, lechon belly. Number 2. The number 3 is the sisig namin. Then, so lahat naman fast movie,
Yes.
hindi kami na ng product na stockan. So, laging
Yeah.
natitili. Kasi nga, mura siya, masarap,
Yeah.
sa beachfront ka,
Yes.
may aircon pa.
Yes.
May
Wow.
aircon pa. Hindi siya, kumbaga, ideal talaga siya para sa mga sa mga traveler na gusto na sa beach lang at gusto ng mas mura. One whole chicken, magkano lang? 425 pesos. The best pang lasa, homemade ang dating. Hindi yung everyday namin ginagawa, it's freshly made. Same thing with lechon belly namin. Everyday namin siya ginagawa and freshly made also everyday.
Wow. So there
And
you...
even yung
Yun.
pares namin.
Yes.
Everyday namin, we don't stock pares. We cook it once you order it.
Wow.
That's how it is.
Grabe, no? You know what really struck me is that Sir Gian is eating here every day just for the quality of his products. And wow, it's really great.
Yeah.
Anyway, Sir Gian, do you really love food?
Yes. Mahilig akong alamin kung ano yung lasa eh.
That's the
Bakit
reason.
kayo nasa ganito? Bakit
Wow.
ganito? And then, I traveled abroad.
Yes.
I traveled to a lot of places in the world.
Wow.
So, from then, nakakuha ko ng idea. I think ginagamit nilang lasa ganito. So, nakakonect ko. Then, I will tell them
Yes.
na, okay, kailangan ganito yung lasa ng ating pagkain. Kailangan ganito yung pagkain natin. Yun yung aking yun yung aking ginagawa.
Wow. So there you have it. And Sir Gian, for the last time, could you invite our viewers to come in here and dine?
Oh my God. You need to come here.
Yes.
Kasi mura, maganda, magandang location,
Yes.
maganda ang may-ari, at masarap ang food, mga quality talaga. Tapos, cost affordable yung pagkain. So, hindi masisira ang budget yun para sa Boracay trip mo. So, may aircon room kami, yung summertime, so mainit, meron kaming aircon area. Kahit budget ang food, pero naka-aircon ka, maganda yun.
Yes.
So, tapos may pool area, malaking area, it's a restaurant. So, masarap kumain po sa amin. So, dine with us. At hindi kayo mamiminayan.
Yes. There you have it. If you're a business and you want to be featured next, comment down below. And if you're planning your trip, your next trip in Boracay, please put it on your to-do list and reminders to come in here at Sensi Paris Hilton, a restaurant just in the beachfront. Really a great place with affordable prices. Ito, yan lahat. We will be explaining it on the part 2 of this video. Sir Gian, last question.
Yes.
Let's go back. Kaya nag-start 2012?
Yeah.
Yung business mo?
2014.
2014.
But the business has been with us, been with the Calypso is 35 years already.
But with you, it's 2014.
2014.
Let's go back 2014.
Yes.
Will you still make that decision to own this business?
Yes, that changed my life. Yeah. You know, in life, you need to take a risk. You need to make a decision either for the good or the bad. And I make a good and the best decision of my life.
Wow. So there you have it. If you want a part 2, maybe the next time we're going to come back here at Boracay for Sir Gian, comment also below. Thank you very much, Sir Gian, for having us. This has been Brand Boss. See you on our next video. Love you.